Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce us from Group 1, which consists of 3 people, especially myself, Rahmat Hidayat, as the moderator, Vera Wulandari, and Trisna Levia. Okay, today we will present the result of a paper from our group. We will discuss a material entitled What is Translation, where the material will be read directly by Sister Vera and Trisna Levia. Okay, first that will be read by Vera. To Vera, please present.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Vera Wulandari. Okay, I will read the material from our presentation. The history of translation. The word translation comes from a Latin name which means to bring or carry across. Another relevant name comes from the ancient Greek word of metaphrasis, which means to speak across, and from this, the name metaphrase was born, which means a word. For word translation, just them have been at the heart of theories relating to translation throughout history and have given insight into when and where translation have been used throughout the ages. It is known that translation was carried out as early as the Mesopotamian era when the Sumerian poem Gilgamesh was translated into Asian languages. This dates back to around the second millennium BC. Other Asian translate were include those carried out by Buddhist monks who translate Indian documents into Chinese. In later periods, ancient Greek texts were also translated by Roman poets and were adapted to create developed literary work for entertainment. It is known that translation services were utilized in Rome by Cicero and Horace, and that these use were continued up to the 7th century, wherever practices were developed. It is argued that the knowledge and finding of Greek academics was developed and understood so widely thanks to the translation work of Arabic scholars. When the Greeks were conquered, their work were taken in by Arabic scholars who translate them and created their own version of the scientific, entertainment, and philosophical understanding. These Arabic versions were later translated into Latin during the Middle Ages, mostly throughout Spain, and the resulting works provide the foundation of Renaissance academics. Meaning of translation according to expert. A. According to Breslin, translation is a general term referring to the transfer of thought and ideas from one language to another, whether the language is in written or oral form, whether the language have stabilized orthographies or not, or whether one or both language is based on science, as with science of the deaf. B. Another expert, Wills, states that translation is a transfer process which aims at the transformation of a written short language text (SLT) into an optimally equivalent target language text (TLT), and which requires the syntactic, the semantic, and the pragmatic understanding and analytical processing of the short text. C. Nida and Tabor see translating as a process of reproducing um, in the receptor language the close natural equivalent of the short language mistake, first in terms of meaning and secondly in terms of style. In other words, translation is a transfer of meaning, mistakes, and style from one SLT to the TLT. In the order of priority, style is past the last. Here the things to reproduce transfer is that mistake. D. Newmark defines the acts of translating very briefly. It is the art of transferring meaning of a stretch or a unit of language, the whole or part, from one language to another. E. Translation is a process and a product, according to Catford. Translation is the replacement of textual material in one language (SL). B. Equivalent textual material in another language (TL). This definition shows that translation is a process in the sense that is an activity performed by people talk time when expression are translated into samples once in the some language rewording and paraphrasing. Purpose of translation. Actually, the purpose of translation may vary, depending on the translation himself, whether it is just serving a customer or further contributing to the content of the translation itself. However, here I will not explain about the purpose of translation from a translator point of view, because all parts about language, including about translation, are intended to serve reference about anything related to translation theory. Okay, let's go try. According to Peter Newmark, a professor whose books have been taught at various universities in the world, including Indonesia, explaining to 5 objectives of translation, namely, the first, to contribute to knowledge and harmony between communities and language groups. Second, to promote information and technology, especially for dear and poor countries. The dear, to explain ethnic culture and difference so as not to be contaminated. The fourth, to make words of sacred religious values, artistic values in the world of art and humanity, as well as scientific words, so that they can be reached in all corners of the world. The fifth, to facilitate foreign language learning.
Okay, and the next will be read by Trishna Levia. To Trishna, please present.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Trisna Levia. Okay, the history of the translation. Early history of the translation. The word translation comes from a Latin term which means to bring or carry across. Other relevant term comes for the ancient Greek word for metaphrase, was born, which means a word-for-word translation. The translation is a mental activity in which the meaning of the particular linguistic discourse is given from one language to another. It is the act of the transferring a linguistic entity from the one language to its equivalent to another. Translation is an action in which text content is transferred from the source language to the target language. This is that there are also some explained opinion about the translation, and the explanation can be seen in our paper. Okay guys, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay guys, now we go to the question session. We will give 3 questions. If you have any question, please your hands or give a comment. Remember, just only 3 questions. Well, the last session, maybe that's all our group can convey about what is translation material. If something is missing or wrong, we apologize professionally. Thank you.